DJI continues to dominate the drone industry with its innovative product lineup, and its latest launch has stirred significant excitement. The DJI Flip, a foldable drone designed to bridge the gap between the NEO and DJI's flagship models, was officially unveiled to much anticipation. This compact and versatile drone is aimed at users who value portability without compromising on performance. However, while the Flip's launch is making waves, a new rumor has captivated drone enthusiasts even further: the possible release of the DJI NEO 2. The NEO 2 rumor comes from Jasper Ellens, a well-regarded figure in the drone community known for his accurate predictions about DJI products. Ellens has previously leaked precise details about DJI's Air 3S, Goggles N3, and other major launches, earning him a reputation for reliability. According to Ellens, the NEO 2 could make its debut later this year, a claim that has sparked speculation about its features and market positioning. Adding to the intrigue are whispers about other upcoming drones, such as the high-performance Mavic 4 series and the Mini 5. With such an expansive product pipeline, DJI appears to be gearing up for a transformative year ahead. The DJI Flip and the rumored NEO 2 cater to different user needs, each with its distinct appeal. The Flip is officially positioned as a lightweight foldable drone designed for casual users or travelers seeking convenience and portability. It is ideal for those who prioritize ease of use and compact storage without needing the advanced capabilities of DJI's higher-end models. This makes the Flip an attractive option for hobbyists and content creators who are always on the move. The NEO 2, however, is likely to target a more specific segment: mid-range enthusiasts who want cutting-edge features without the premium price tag of flagship drones like the Mavic series. The original NEO is already a strong contender in this space, offering excellent technology, reliable performance, and great value. Should the NEO 2 follow the same trajectory, it may introduce modest but meaningful upgrades. Possible enhancements could include improved battery life, better camera sensors, or refined software features like obstacle avoidance or AI-assisted flight modes. These updates would cater to users who value performance and functionality over compactness. For potential buyers deciding between the two, it's essential to consider their distinct purposes. While the Flip is likely to be a great choice for portability-focused users, the NEO 2 will appeal to those seeking an all-around performer with advanced capabilities. While the Flip and NEO 2 are generating significant buzz, DJI's rumored plans extend far beyond these models. The Mavic 4 series, which includes the Mavic 4 and Mavic 4 Pro, is expected to push the boundaries of professional drone technology. These models are likely to feature cutting-edge advancements such as higher-resolution cameras, improved flight stability, and enhanced AI capabilities. For professionals and serious enthusiasts, the Mavic 4 series promises to be a game-changer, solidifying DJI's position at the forefront of drone innovation. Meanwhile, rumors of a Mini 5 series have also surfaced. The Mini 5 is reportedly aimed at entry-level users who want an affordable yet capable drone for casual use. According to leaks, the Mini 5 is slated for a late 2025 release, following the debut of the Mavic 4 series. This staggered approach allows DJI to maintain a steady stream of product launches, catering to a wide spectrum of consumer needs. Interestingly, some sources, including Jasper Ellens, suggest that the NEO 2 and Mini 5 might be released simultaneously. If true, this would mark an unusual strategy for DJI, which typically spaces out its product launches to maximize focus on individual models. A dual release could indicate DJI's confidence in its ability to dominate multiple segments of the market at once. If the NEO 2 is indeed on the horizon, it will likely serve as an evolution of its predecessor rather than a complete reinvention. DJI's mid-range drones are known for balancing innovation with practicality, and the NEO 2 is expected to follow suit. Potential upgrades could include a longer battery life, allowing for extended flight sessions, and an enhanced camera system capable of capturing sharper images and videos. Additionally, improvements in software-driven features such as obstacle detection, subject tracking, and intelligent flight modes would further enhance user experience. While these upgrades might not be groundbreaking, they could make the NEO 2 a compelling option for those looking for the latest in mid-range drone technology. For existing NEO owners, however, the improvements might not be significant enough to warrant an immediate upgrade, especially if their current drone meets their needs. The question on many potential buyers' minds is whether to wait for the NEO 2 or to invest in the NEO, which was launched only a few months ago. The answer depends on individual priorities and how urgently a drone is needed. The NEO is already an excellent option, balancing performance, features, and price effectively. It offers advanced functionality, such as high-quality imaging, stable flight controls, and intelligent flight modes, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Since it was released recently, it represents the latest technology in DJI's mid-range lineup. For most buyers, this makes the NEO a solid choice that does not require waiting for a potential upgrade. The NEO 2, if it materializes, is unlikely to revolutionize the mid-range drone market. Historically, DJI's mid-cycle updates tend to focus on refining existing features rather than introducing groundbreaking changes. This means that waiting for the NEO 2 might result in only minor improvements over the NEO, which are unlikely to justify several months of delay unless your requirements are highly specific. However, if you're someone who values having the latest technology or believes the NEO 2 might address specific needs not met by the NEO, waiting could be worthwhile. Rumors suggest that we might hear more about the NEO 2 as early as mid-2025, so those who are not in a hurry may find it worth keeping an eye on developments. The coming year is shaping up to be a landmark one for DJI, with an impressive array of rumored and confirmed products in the pipeline. From the versatile Flip and the refined NEO 2 to the professional-grade Mavic 4 series and the accessible Mini 5, DJI is positioning itself to cater to a diverse range of users. For consumers, this means an abundance of choices across various price points and performance tiers. Whether you're a hobbyist, a content creator, or a professional, there's likely a DJI drone tailored to your needs. As more information about these models becomes available, potential buyers can expect greater clarity in choosing the drone that best aligns with their goals. DJI's product strategy highlights its commitment to innovation and market leadership. The Flip's compact design, the NEO 2's anticipated refinements, and the promise of groundbreaking advancements in the Mavic 4 series showcase DJI's versatility and vision. For buyers, the decision ultimately comes down to their immediate needs versus the allure of waiting for potential upgrades. While the NEO remains an excellent choice for its value and performance, keeping an eye on the latest developments ensures you'll always be ready to take flight with the best that DJI has to offer.